What's up, helmet heads? It's a sickness, and today we're going to set our pins on our 2024 Road Glides. Okay, this is very simple. All you're going to do is you're going to hit your accessory button, hold that down. Okay, it's going to bring that up. And we're going to hit the three lines right here. It's our menu button, okay? And that's going to come up. We're going to toggle over to settings. All right, and that's going to show up there. And we're going to go down to system. Okay, once we go down to system, we're going to hit system info. Okay, then go down to change security pin. And then you're going to type in whatever you want. For purposes of this, I'm going to hit, it's going to tell me that the pin was changed successfully. Okay, and then I hit OK. Right, and that's it. That's how you change it on your 2024 Road Glide. You do have to have your fob when you do it. Okay, that's it. Have a great day.